Hey there YouTube, it's Chief Survival coming back at you with another video. This is another review of the Sheffield 3-piece gift set. Multi-tool and knife with sheath. 14-in-1, okay, there we go, focused in. 14-in-1 multifunction tool set, folder 3-inch. Folded 4 inches, 3-inch stone side. Handle, yeah. Safety warnings, please. But I have EDC'd these, and they are great. Well, actually, it's the only thing I have EDC'd. Keep this in my knife. My knife case. And this knife I have EDC'd. It's a great little knife. Works out great. Very sharp. EDC'd this one for a week or two. Pretty good. This thing I EDC'd a lot. In fact, I need to actually start EDCing this again, because it is a great multi-tool. Absolutely great. Spring loaded. Has file, screwdriver, knife, that whole deal, bottle opener, little saw, whatever the heck that is. And this one I believe has the exact same. Just a smaller size, but yeah. That is a great knife set. I got it for, it was like $16 at Walmart, and it is absolutely amazing for the deal. These I have used definitely the most. But yeah, I just wanted to get this review out there real quick. I would definitely recommend picking this up if you're looking for a cheap kit. I mean, these are great. I mean, these obviously not Leatherman's or any other brand. Personally, I've never owned a Leatherman in my life, so don't really want to comment on those, but it's held up pretty well, and for the most part the sheath has held up well. It's just the job I have is pushing shopping carts, and the only problem I have really noticed with these is that this thing's locked in here and put on my belt. Particular place I have it on my right side of back hip type area, it gets caught up and frays a little bit, and then that pops open. But besides that, it's a pretty good set. And I know by now, the way I'm going to upload these videos, you've all probably noticed that I've been doing a bunch of short videos instead of some long ones. That's just because I'm trying to get these videos pumped out. I'm not going to upload these all on the same day, but probably trying to upload these daily, because I want to start doing videos every other day. And but this, I'm just trying to make up for lost time. So that's what I got for today. It's been Cheap Survival. Like, comment, subscribe. Over and out.